Hello guys, welcome back to a new part of MySQL tutorial. In this part, we are going to learn about how to create a database in MySQL server. In the previous part, we already see how to install MySQL server. So now we are going to work with the server. So first you need to create a simple database in that MySQL server. Database is essential for saving data into that database, that means MySQL server. So in this part I will explain how to create a simple database in MySQL, how to manage that database in MySQL. So a database is a collection of related data. So a database contains a large number of data which are actually related to each other, and a database is actually act as a container for storing collection of objects. Maybe it's a collection of objects, it's some called some entities called tables, or it contain some stored procedures. So all these components are able to store in a database, and for creating a database we have a query called create database statement. Actually we interacting with the SQL server MySQL by using some queries. Actually queries are commands for doing some action on the database. So for creating a database we use the query called the create database statement. Here is the syntax of the create database statement. Create database, if not exist, database name. Actually the if not exist is an optional one. There is no need to use if not exist. And okay, if not exist is an optional in this index, and the database name must be a meaningful one and it is descriptive. For example, here is an example that create a database called my database in MySQL. The syntax is create database, that database name is my database. For view all the available database in MySQL server, if you want to view all the available database in MySQL server, you have to use this syntax called show databases. This will show all the databases available on MySQL server. These are all explained in the next part of this tutorial. And for selecting a database, for you need to select a particular database for before work with it. Before work with it, use the following syntax for selecting a database. Of course you need to use you need to select a database before adding or deleting or anything do on that database. You need to choose a particular database. So here is the syntax of selecting a database. We use this syntax, use database name. Here is an example. In this example we just choose the database called my database. Syntax is use database. Here database name is my database. In some situation you need to drop some databases, so here is the syntax. Here is the syntax of dropping a database from database server. So here is the syntax, drop database name. Here is an example, drop database my database. This statement actually dropped the database called my database from MySQL server. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In the next part of this tutorial we will see all these concepts, that means creation of database and managing of database in MySQL server with complete working example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.